is Jeffrey and I'll show you how to make a paper airplane. For this project, you will need a piece of paper and your hands. First off, put your paper in portrait, then fold it in half. Make sure you crease your paper every time you fold it, so it will most likely stay in the position you folded it. Next, fold this part down, so make a triangle in this rectangle. It doesn't need to be perfect. This is just creating the tip of your airplane. Make sure to crease. Next, flip it over. Then do the same thing over again. Make a triangle. Make sure it's pointed, then crease. Next, grab this part of the airplane, of the triangle, then fold it downward. So then this part is touching the baseline of the triangle that you just folded before. Make sure to crease it, flip it, then do the same thing on the other side. Crease it. Next, fold this part downward so it touches this line, the baseline of the part you just folded. Make sure to crease. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be roughly as close as you can to be like mine. Next, flip it again, then fold it exactly what you folded last time. Okay, when you get to this step, open up your paper airplane, then it'll be ready to fly. To throw your paper airplane, make sure you're holding it in the center